I rushed home to get the iPhone 12 Pro. Guys, I wanted to give you an official review on the Jesse Tyler RiDGiD channel. I'm excited to be back. What do you say? Let's get this thing unraveled and see what this phone is all about. As you can see, this case is pretty fresh, I can't lie. It's probably half the size of the normal white brick. Oh yeah, it's like taking off some clothes off of your gender of choice. Wow. This is the Pacific blue color, guys. This is a brand new color for the iPhone 12. Oh, that's slick. That's pretty sleek. I've noticed they've gone back to the kind of square rounded edges like the iPhone 4S used to have. I'm a big fan of that. There's no power brick. Apple's gonna bone you and they're giving you just the charging cord. You gotta buy your own brick. No headphones? What is that? What is that? This appears to be a small magnifying glass, I guess, to see some of the buttons on here. Oh, this is like that key thing for the SIM card. Even this, it feels like I'm getting like a treasure chest key here. That's all they're giving me? It's like checking the McDonald's bag at the... Yo, this don't even come out. That's it. Where's the rest of the toys at? I paid $1,300. This is it, man. That's all I'm left with. I got this. I got that. I can like clean my in between my teeth with this. Oh, it's gone. Lost it. I'm less than enthused right now, guys. I spent around $1,300 for this iPhone 12 Pro, and to be honest, this is my iPhone 11 Pro. Pretty much the same size. They both got the bowling ball holes here, the different cameras. You know, you got your wide angle, your normal Johns, and the one that nobody cares about or ever uses. Like I said, you can see the edges are a little more squared, so I can hold this one better. It also has a little bit more weight to it. I think the screen's just a little bit bigger on the iPhone 12. I think they stole my money, honestly. Guys, I want to get in real quick into what is wrong with the iPhone 12 Pro without even me using it. I'm upset. I'm upset, guys. I encourage you, I implore you, before you go and buy the iPhone 12 Pro, drop some likes on the video. I really appreciate it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the Jesse Tyler RiDGiD channel because we're about to be back to regular videos. There's not much difference. Hate to break it to y'all. There's not much difference. I'm always going to give it to you straight up on this channel. You can get an iPhone 11 Pro for around $850 on Amazon, get it used. This costs $1,300. We're talking about a 512 gigabyte. My space is maxed out on this one. That's why I wanted to upgrade. If you're going from the iPhone 11 to the iPhone 12, don't waste your money. Straight up, don't waste your money. My thoughts on an Apple iPhone, you wanna buy these once every 3 years. Not 2, not getting one every year unless you're, you know, trying to do a review on it or, you know, you got plenty of money just to waste. It's like a computer, right? Or a car. You're not gonna buy a new car every year. I also wouldn't even recommend buying the new Call of Duty every year. It's different because they're pumping them out once every year, but like you gotta wait a few years till your car is, you know, starting to run out of steam, or wait till your computer is starting to slow down. Problem is with the iPhone is they come out with these new iOS updates like a month before they release the new iPhone, which literally will kill your battery, take up a lot of space on your phone, and they try to like force your hand into buying the next model. What's actually different? I mean, the battery life's a little bit better, the screen's a little bit bigger, the f-stop's just a little bit better, it's a little bit more drop proof, but I mean, if you get a good case, you're not gonna have to worry about that. Is it worth the $1,000 to $1,300 depending on the size? No. Is it worth it to get their brand new Pacific blue color? No. They don't have midnight green, man. Midnight green was on the iPhone 11 and that's pretty fresh too. I'm not impressed. Also, the 5G cell phone technology, is it worth it? No. I get plenty of service, plenty of connection on the iPhone 11 Pro. If you're watching this video wondering if you should upgrade, like I said, if it's been 3 years, go for it. It's gonna be like entering a whole new world. So if you have the iPhone 10 or the iPhone 11, do not get this phone. Save your money. Wait another year. If you got the iPhone 8, this phone is for you. I don't want to completely trash it, but guys, just be smart about this stuff. iPhone is definitely one of those like frivolous purchases that if your phone does everything you need to do, if you're able to text your friends, use social media, take some decent pictures, hold on to your cash because you know the next iPhone that comes out might have some significant upgrades, especially when you compare it to your 3-year-old model. But when you go 1 year after the next year, there's not much difference. It's like my face watching it age from like 1 year ago to next year. It's not much difference. But if you take me from 2012, you'd be like, all right, we've come a long way. It's time to upgrade. I guess I'm gonna turn this thing on, but you know, I'm gonna have to go out and buy a power brick. Also, you know, it's the standard, they're all these cords now. Ain't no headphone jack. You gotta buy the AirPods or whatever crap this is. It says Ola. I got the Spanish edition here. English. It's a standard startup. I ain't gonna waste your time. I ain't got nothing else to say about the iPhone 12. I take a lot of pictures, you know, for Instagram, for social media, so like, there's not that significant of an upgrade from the camera side, so I think it's maybe just a little bit better, for low light. It was already epic on the iPhone 11, so This is the face of regret. Apple they got me, y'all. They got me. Don't let them get you either. There's no worse feeling than knowing you just like threw away money. But that's why I'm making these mistakes so you don't have to, guys. We got some reviews for the Xbox Series X coming very soon, the PlayStation 5, so make sure you subscribe. Guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Maybe you got the new iPhone. Maybe you want to have some more questions about this thing. I'm not making this up. I'll literally put a side-by-side comparison right now from the iPhone 11 Pro to the iPhone 12 Pro. You can see the differences. There's not much. Don't fall victim to the hype. Yo, yeah, we got the 5G technology and all that stuff. They're trying to sell you the phone. And then all the friends in social media, they're like, yo, the iPhone, the Apple event, the iPhone 12 is gonna sell like hotcakes. Guys, I'm less than impressed. I'm gonna switch my stuff over just so I need more space. But guys, we got some exciting finance videos. Super pumped. Drop some likes, y'all. We'll see you guys in the next one. I need like a closing for these. Nick, what should I say?
Don't forget to make some money.
Is that too much like keep it rigid? Don't forget to keep your money. Nah, I feel like it's gotta have a different like flow to it, you know? Let's get minted, y'all. Let's get minted. Minty fresh breath. Have a slice of gum. Did they say slice of gum? There's stay, keep it. Stay, keep it.
I've been minted.
I've been minted. Call me when you're serious. That's not bad. Let's get minted. Call me when you're serious. Almost like another language, like sayonara. Just make up a word. Chigada. Tau. Let's get minted. Call me when you're serious. Tau. Cacao? Cacao is not bad. Let's try it out. Let's get minted. Call me when you're serious. Cacao. That's it. That's it. Cacao. Guys, let me know. Let me know how that is. Let's get minted. Call me when you're serious. Cacao. Cacao. Cacaish.